My name is John, this is my cousin Jacob, and we are the founders of NOMATIC. Oh, this guy? He's photographer and YouTuber Peter McKinnon.
What's up, everybody? Peter McKinnon here, welcome back.
In 2018, we became fast friends and began to work together to rethink camera bags and design some of the most functional camera gear on the market. Today, we are excited to launch a new collection of camera bags for all levels of photographers that once again checks all the boxes on organization, access, and functionality. But this time in 3 new sizes and with a fresh new look. Introducing the LUMA camera collection. The Camera Pack 18-liter, the Camera Sling 12-liter, and the Camera Sling 9-liter. After working tirelessly on these bags for the last 2 years, we can't wait to dive in and show you all the features this new collection has to offer. First, let's take a closer look at the LUMA Pack 18-liter. Right off the bat, you'll notice an external design and colors that pop. And one of Peter's favorite features about this backpack is how thin it is. Built with durable materials and 4 color options. You get 3 points of access to your gear: back, side, and top. Padded laptop or tablet storage. A small quick access pocket, magnetic water bottle pocket, multiple external attachment points for customization on how you carry. Other external features include a tripod boot and luggage pass-through for travel. On the inside, you'll notice unique custom dividers that allow you to prioritize everyday gear or camera gear. Simply adjust the top shelf to control the depth of this upper section, as well as 3 internal pockets to manage all the small things. This pack is thin and lightweight, but holds more than you might think. In case of extreme weather conditions, you can purchase the NOMATIC rain cover for peace of mind. Next up, the LUMA Sling 12-liter and 9-liter. These 2 slings come in the same 4 amazing colors and are built with high quality and durable materials. On the outside, you have a small easy access pocket, 1 external handle that also doubles as luggage pass-through, and wraparound attachment points for external carry. The aluminum pivot rivet allows the strap to adjust to how you carry. A full perimeter zipper gives you a wide open view of the inside to pack and access your gear. In the lid, you'll find 2 see-through mesh pockets to organize all the little things. Next, the crowd favorite, just flip the lid closed and snap.
Just got this huge smile when they felt that. It was awesome.
That's so good.
Yeah.
If you don't want to zip it shut, you're like, oh, I'm good.
Just clicks. Yeah.
Magnetic quick closure provides quick access to your gear while streamlining your workflow. And when you're ready to move on, zip the bag shut for a fully secure closure. The cube shape allows it to hold a ton of gear and even be packed away for travel. Because of the depth of the bigger 12-liter sling, you can pack on multiple levels thanks to our customizable dividers with shelves. We also added a padded adjustable shoulder strap for comfort when it's fully loaded. Whether you photograph weddings, landscape, or maybe you're a hobbyist or vlogger, we've got you covered. At NOMATIC, we create award-winning camera bags, and over 70,000 customers love their original Peter McKinnon camera bags. 2 years of design, over 15 prototypes, 6 different focus groups with men and women photographers talking specifically on how they use and store their gear. These are all the reasons the LUMA camera collection, in collaboration with Peter McKinnon, is sure to be your new go-to camera bag. Color selection and shipping information will be collected via survey after the Kickstarter ends, delivering to your hands February 2024. Back our Kickstarter today and be part of this movement. We can't wait to see how the LUMA camera collection elevates your creativity and helps you live life on the move.